This 5-minute solution will show you how to change Facebook page category. As you can see right now, I'm in my Facebook page and my page current category is Arts and Crafts Store. And now I will show you how I change my page category. After switching to your Facebook profile, tap on menu at the bottom right, tap on the settings at the top right, tap on page settings. Here scroll down and tap on access page information and tap on personal information. Tap on see more and tap on about. And here you will get your category. As you can see, my current category is Arts and Crafts Store. To change it, tap on edit. And now from this list you can select a different category. Tap on save. Going to my page profile. And as you can see, my category has been changed to photographer. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.